Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing my secret sandwich recipe. You will need 2 pieces of bread, some sliced potatoes, an egg. Take some fried chicken or gravy chicken of your choice and smash them well. Here I have chicken 65. Some salt and chili powder and mayonnaise. Heat the pan and add some oil. Place the sliced potatoes and roast it. Spice it up with salt and chili powder. Let it cook. In the meantime, apply some mayonnaise on both of the breads. You can take the potatoes out after they are completely roasted. Place the roasted potato pieces on the bread. Now take the egg and add some chili powder and salt powder. Now add the smashed chicken pieces to the egg. Beat them well until chicken blends with the egg. Heat the tawa and add the mixture. Spread it evenly so that you are able to place both the breads. Now place the breads next to each other. Add a cheese slice if you like it. And the sandwich is ready to serve.